Is social media presence important to directors and producers?
I think in this day and age, social media is important for anyone. So for directors and producers, it is important because you want to get to know more people, you want to reach out, you want to network. Um, I use social media a lot to find out who's out there, who's doing what show, who's in what show, who's taking up singing lessons or acting classes or dancing classes. Just being a busybody for me, that's important. And social media gives you access to a lot of information about everyone. Uh, and it's important also because it helps you connect with people and you want people to come and watch your shows and to support your projects. Um, and you want people to be aware of what you're doing. So your presence online in social media would help you to reach out to these people, to help them know more about what you're doing. And also it's good for you to know what other people are doing. That's how I use social media a lot.